This is how to make the pipe on the wall. First of all, we can make the rectangle for the wall base in here, and now we can push it up in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click, and make group. Now we can make the another slab in here. So this is just for a simple basic, and right click and make group. Okay, then now we can make the line in here. We can make the path of the line in here, or maybe we can make the circle first in here. We can make the circle. We can make the circle in here, and we can determine about the pipe dimension in here. We can just place on the position approximately in here, and now we can make the line. Okay, we can make the line and make this one. Okay, then now we can triple click this one and just move a little bit in here. Okay, and then we can just move this one a little bit. Okay, then now we can make the curve, or maybe we can make the curve in here with a 2-point arc, and make the curve with a 2-point arc. Can triple click all the line and deselect the surfaces and select the follow me. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click, and make group. Then I can move on the position. Okay, then now we can triple click and push it to the another side in here. Okay, then now we can select move tab control and just place to the appropriate position as we want in here. Okay, so this is for the industrial piping in here. We can make group. Then now we can assign about the metal materials. Maybe we can use this one. Okay, or maybe we can make the difference, the difference color with the color. We can select the difference color in here, just like this. Okay, and now we can select the metal materials, or we can adjust this one, and we can just select this one, just like this. Okay, or maybe we can select the another color, like a dark blue color in here on the position here. Okay, thank you for watching.